Hidden wall beds, also known as Murphy beds, are a game changer for small spaces. They can be pulled down for sleeping and folded away during the day, making your space feel larger and more versatile. Perfect for tiny studios, office guest rooms, adus, or pool houses, Murphy beds optimize your square footage and create the illusion of more space. Take this hidden wall bed, for example. It features a study table beside it and top storage cabinets. This smart design provides a cozy place to sleep and a convenient spot to work or study. When you lift the bed, it opens up the room, making cleaning easier and reducing clutter. This space-saving dining table by Camilo Calle is perfect for small apartments with limited dining space. When pivoted into position, the table unfolds to double its surface area, making it ideal for meals or games. Additionally, Calle designed a wall-mounted seat that's great for saving space in small areas. This foldable chair provides extra seating in hallways or a convenient spot for tying your shoes. When not in use, the chair can be stored flush against the wall. For shoe enthusiasts, Calle's shoe organizer can hold up to 36 pairs, keeping them organized and easy to find. This bunk bed with a magic unit from Adali Kids has a lot to offer. It features storage units like a wardrobe and a cabinet for keeping your clothes organized. Below, there's a long desk that can be easily pulled out and locked into place, instantly creating a workspace where you can sit down and tackle your tasks. When work leaves you feeling tired, just push the desk back to its original position. Under it, you can pull out a comfortable bed in mere seconds. Your pillows and blankets can be neatly stored under the mattress, revealing even more storage space under the bed. It's a truly magical solution. Next, we have the ECLETTICA folding spiral staircase, a space-saving marvel that uses cutting-edge technology to optimize both vertical and horizontal space. Its versatility sets it apart, as the steps double as storage compartments, bookshelves, shoe racks, and more. You can further personalize it with decorative panels, picture frames, mirrors, and wood. The Ludovico transforming cabinet office from Expand Furniture is a complete chair, desk, and cabinet set that folds out from a simple 2-drawer filing cabinet. It includes 2 full drawers and a filing cabinet in the bottom drawer. This perfect micro office conceals a chair and desktop within its design. When folded out, it reveals a desktop from the side and a chair that slides right out between the filing cabinet and the drawers. This classic bureau from the 1950s, crafted by s.r.l. and known as the Hausbureau, epitomizes mid-century German craftsmanship and design. Built from teak veneer, it features a fold-out writing surface that reveals a practical workspace. With numerous storage compartments, a convenient drawer, and a pull-out section, it offers ample room for organizing essentials. From the same company, this wonderful bureau from the 1960s showcases another pinnacle of craftsmanship by s.r.l. It features a hinged work surface that opens to reveal a spacious desk area, adorned with 2 Formica-coated doors in white. It houses 11 pull-out shelves and 4 internal drawers, providing ample storage for various items. Sometimes you need a study space, and other times you need a spare bedroom, but your house can't fit both. Wilding Wallbeds, an American company, offers a smart solution: the disappearing desk bed, which turns any space into both an office and a bedroom. When the disappearing desk bed is upright, it serves as a large, spacious work surface, perfect for working comfortably from your desktop or laptop. When you're ready to sleep, just pull out 2 pins on each side and lower the handle. The Bcompact folding staircase is hard to define. It's part furniture, part art, and part engineering marvel. This patented, award-winning design lets you install a strong and beautiful staircase in tight spaces where one usually wouldn't fit. It opens up new possibilities for your home or office, being enjoyable to use, convenient, and visually stunning. The sideways folding action saves space while providing access to different areas of your home. The design includes innovative features like a bifold handrail with stainless steel, brass, or alloy hardware. This design is like a classic library, featuring tall shelves on tracks with wheels. It's a smart way to maximize storage space for books or other items, expanding your storage capacity while beautifully displaying your collection and ensuring easy access. Additionally, there's a central drop-down cabinet for your most prized possessions. You can unveil these treasures on special occasions, adding an element of surprise and charm to your space-saving solution. These bunk beds may look ordinary, but they have a clever space-saving trick. After folding the guardrail and removing the ladder, the top bunk neatly hides away in the closet behind the lower bunk, just like magic. Suddenly, you have tons of free floor space to use however you want. This smart design is perfect for a spare room or student digs. You can use the space for studying during the day and sleep at night without any hassle. This transforming shelf table is perfect for small spaces. It quickly changes from a bookshelf to a large table with just one move, without needing to take anything off the shelves. It works well as a room divider and is great for hosting unexpected dinner guests. The table has a beautiful medium wood walnut finish and black legs. It can seat 4-6 people and goes well with nano chairs. The Dormire couch. This incredible piece of furniture transforms into a bunk bed that can sleep 2 adults. Just lift the seat base and watch the whole system rise up. Lock it in place with a built-in ladder, open the support guards, and you're ready to sleep on the top or bottom bunk. It's a super convenient design that's easy to use, taking less than a minute to transform from a couch to a bunk bed. Perfect for space-saving and multifunctional living. The Spagna Royal Suite offers a unique and luxurious experience. At the touch of a button, the bed gracefully ascends to the ceiling, unveiling a sophisticated sitting area underneath. This Italian fold-away bed easily transforms your space by combining a comfy sofa with a bed. Instead of a heavy sofa frame, it uses a fluffy sofa that saves you time and effort. When you want to use the bed, it smoothly comes down from the wall on a hydraulic frame, ensuring a safe descent. This combo is practical, modern, and perfect for small apartments. The sofa parts are made from high-quality Italian materials and have leather handles for easy moving. Unlike a regular sofa, they can be folded to provide back support and cater to your comfort.